but then after a few who's in your walk over the wounds in the Jacoyano. And then the hammer, but notwithstanding, we should try to bring everybody together. Playing united behind the man. The Infanonco, a month to any chi. So, now the business is a bit making Kunim 2028 now. About one.
Now, honorable, said Bebacho, Minchawan, so said the walk no dear. And the abedin Palma MPP Amanyokuno because and some be any baby move kafa a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Hono. Nay, ye pa. Say, no, how do you unite your party?
The good thing is that instead of Wakayano, you don't run and look at the enemy. Look at Papa. I said, you know, so anything. Send you to Queen, you know, not that I won't know cancer man in the cray, a good Panasua. Yeah, bought a hood panel, and yet thing. I'm talking about the individual's concern. On the bed, the amount of somebody you turn.
And they are members of and they are members of your party.
And then to a Montana, Debbie, to a Montana. They were playing in album because maybe I make us say, yeah, happy before. Yaka wabo mukra. Yeah, anka say support base, you know. And even when Abama you. You say, unya, floating which is more better.
Sure.
The one kata wonko pono. Say, ubia from ID, in a soka say you to like the answer. Then the one that will reduce votes.
No correct.
What I say. That is why we should forgive one another. We are united behind the person. Na yempanenko against you know. And the kase be dia masanko for na menka se be dia ma party no. Oh,
na so honorable so who can say so a 1 year be dinga mom no. Omo nyina ye amanyoko ni ba MPP amanyofo from ma. You know say whatever it takes, we should strive to still bring everybody on board, in spite of Nyesi. I say, Ebomodini can't be a boom. Say, one of our friends, so one just say, how to the extent to say, anybody mafia. So, one just says, the person will come around. So, now we need everybody. In here will be a so be other back. Na yenya ya kampung aye party na juma ni aye candidate no juma send they are debating away. There are many people at the various constituencies that are the corner, including even some MP. So in the woman yanto omonche and daddy and before say obi fun kuma so obi fun ya no correct.
So whatever we can do to get people to rally behind him, we'll do that. And indeed, we have to do that.
It's I did be I was a more year because 1 year 2028 general elections a bad thing am MPP amanyoku and even say you shed a year Musa Dankwa a crowd about 2 abontenga or no chile say a year candidate be a NDC amanyoku in the bebano a year dear omuntimi MP Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and me ending kunim over that candidate. Sang as someone about to Jai. I know, sir, you have a reaction to it. What is it?
Oh, first of all, sir, Mr. Dankwa, you come and yeah, you to a baby in what they are idea. Men to about no the car. What are they? But in politics, can you really put yourself? Tell me, your petition you have to in 10 years from now, 3 years from now.
Is it possible?
Have you seen that before?
It is not possible.
And the idea me just say in America, make us say, yes, there are 5 people who want to make us out. But the fact that political research, political opinion polling, now say, who can assembly at all and neck in Juniors at Bayajuma? They all can get a
You see, in politics, even one wish can change a lot of things. Now, what you can you bring?
Sure.
And she said, "See, from now, no, what has happened not to her." And then your opinion, Pulu, no, your prophecy now, dear man. And then your opinion, prophecy now, dear man. The prophecy is with the and the Omo Bekai and Omo sorry, and Omo no aye. That we ever travel now, we shall make a almost say, God does not double speak. Yami, Onka asem chrono, Onka asem chrono over one side of the mouth, Enka different thing, and on the another side of the mouth is a different thing. Then it's not coming from God. More canwa, what the Yami and the Akano. And she is bending. Mama Yami didn't draw. Yamis won't carry the angel. Semicano and Cherry the Amica say a trouble we are. You will win Yami and conscious for any bow and conscious for. Now, one group of prophets said, "No, me are winning." Another group will say, "Can hear the pombe winning." Then one of you, one group, is not speaking from God. I'm not talking on behalf of God.
Okay, so Bibacho, can we then conclude, say, 1 year, one more prophecies, no, ebemu. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia e wene ye no. Wamo no their prophecy do uhunu say efrinyame.
I don't want to go into who is talking from God's own revelation. I don't want to talk about that. You make my kind of say, Bakoye on people.
Now, said the name say no credit there, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the likes of Nigel Gazy, ni oni akikakikano. The prophecy by say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be with ampa so abem. So we can deduce and say one of the no efrinyame.
Minia. Che obi o ha o ti lo do na o waki de bia me bua. Da obeweki obenya numbers go up ka. Ebe bono. O si loto ni calculation ewa.
No crepa.
One calculate 50 times anye yi. Ba ko to mu ma no what calculation.
Sure.
Ewa. Obi kan say John, and it can happen.
Fear delegates.
The John of blessed memory. O say, ayi malam no o ko no hono a o so ko ji American visa no. O mu a wo nya American visa no. Onu ko timi e ma American visa. Kaneba eti mayanka ehu ayi na nfieti hu. Ojima American visa. Senka nemba enti ayi mayanka a we hu na nfieti hu. And if they come back to the doesn't mean that I don't want to go there.
You don't want to go there. You don't want to go there. Very, very well. Very, very well. But very, very well. But I am so glad you are happy because there was a time I engaged you on this network and you were saying, say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia will be winning by over 70%. And now we are having 56 point, I think is 3%, getting to 57%. How about that, you?
Sometimes you want to scare people. You exaggerate your strength. What do you say? To scare people. Because me, my cousin, my opinion would be
sure.
If you ask me, realistically, no. Because we're aiming to win about 75%.
Sure.
Internal polls that was giving us something 65, around 65 to 70%. What do you say? Just around 65%. Now, yeah, quite many people more than 65%. And realistically, no. Now, maybe 65% plus or minus 3%. Maybe worst case scenario between your base 62. Yes, between your 68%, close to 70%. And you be the power or not me imagine your work.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Even that, yes, sir. Yeah, but from Kakra. But to me, it's still very good. If you have, close to 57%, why there? Don't forget, say, we understand a year in 2023, no, a year special delegates conference. Yes, son so bad, 5 year main thing.
Right.
That's number one. Number two is that, let's face it, anybody you know, I'm moon, a year can name Brian.
Yeah.
Like 2023, so this one was fiercer than the 2023 contest.
Wow.
However, the outcome not sure say, but constituencies are winning at this time. I think they are winning 2023. So we have, in terms of the spread, the victory, we have covered many more constituencies than we did in 2023. It means that a greater number of constituencies, have bought into his message. There are some constituencies that we lost. And even some regions they lose the course of the What I say. It doesn't mean that no one can, but the media caucus into the man about that. But one family, and we move forward.
But some have also made the argument, say, a year candidate, a year MPP for the Nabano, a year candidate, Ghana for a pair na. So some no major piece of what? Now what ya? I know you been out the Bemau. But I say,
Ghana for Pedro.
Ghana for Pedro.
Yes.
But Utie,
then it goes into the entire illusion in 2024 elections. Was it attributable to him? No. Investigations a year in Ashanti region, which I fortunately said, Professor Michael Quay, a chair at the national level, Conrad Adena Foundation, almost investigations, university professors, indicate strongly to us that Abane Luciano, what me Francois, Dr. Bamu, same conclusions. All may fail. External factors to any governance issues. Party and then, to some extent, electioneering campaign was the management.
Sure.
What do you say?
Electioneering campaign, electioneering campaign management. Because I know, say, now during the 2024 elections, now we are in charge of the manifesto committee. And and you are saying, sir, the election management, and of which you were part. Would you say, sir, Wabra now we are in charge of the manifesto committee? You didn't perform well.
No.
Oh, there is
a report about resource distribution.
Sure.
And then I will come on the resource distribution. Manifesto there. All who attest to the manifesto here, come to the conclusion say this manifesto that we did is arguably the best manifesto that the party has produced since 1992, without question. And the other day, resource and some
resource.
Yeah.
Okay. But how would the ordinary Ghana?
Let me and what the student say. And it's not about the candidate himself. The performance, yes, the core we had 41.7 And people are saying, "Oh, now we won." And now the friend is saying, "You can't perform about 41.7." In 1996, President Kufuor attained 39%. 4 years thereafter, he swung and was able to win. In 2004, President Mills against Kufuor obtained 44%. In fact, 2000 Onya 43%. The second round, Onya 43%. The deciding vote. The following year, the following succeeding elections, 44% in 2004. And yet, 2008, and they could fall from 39% in the next succeeding election. 41.7, yet didn't go win the next succeeding election. It's possible.
All right. Honorable
Mills, as I said, shrunk it down. Don't forget, before against Rawlings in 1996, Kufuor had 39%. Rawlings had 57%. 57%, and then Mills to the bar. 43%, Then NDC didn't give up on him. They repeated him. He had 1% increase, and then the next succeeding one, he won. And it is not like NPP formed, and I say Ghana formed, It's not like that.
All right. Very well. Mamina say in the USA, but you are still hoping, sir, it is still possible.
It is possible.
Thank you.
Indeed, with God, everything is possible.
If I saw Gabriel,
of course, we must work hard.
Okay, that's right. If I saw Media Kofi Ofosun Kasa, Ewa also chiao. Da also chiao. Kofi Ofosun Kasa. Also been can't also. Yo, all right, that's it. That's it. But who share boss but up to now, I hear anymore.
You come some from they are not according to one another thing.
Yeah.
Diaspora James Abu.
Honorable, you better say David, Yabe Ishra. Good. Ebusha for Otis, now the former majority leader. And Edin Common, or say Chairman Sabun, a front runner to the campaign of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia during the 31st January 2026 flag bearer primaries. But Mamini Gabriel Ofosun can say Mbonito na Minyano Kofi Ofosun Gaza. Yeah. But that will be the Gabriel Ofosun Gaza. Etiara me di udino agwa kwose ho me ba mo please me ba mo when you have your turn now what assembly opperson kan ye be ma akwan ama waka wa ha but me nya oh debi ono nka team no ho me ne ba ye debi me oh debi me ba mo cho no me patcho Ebo Backman. Thank you so much, my good brother. But I said this time you are bloating, my brother. No, you are bloating. When you see Kabebre, that mami bindi Ebo Backman.
I mean, no. Now what campaign manager? No, as I'm moving better. But there's no penny beria. There's no penny beria na day. It's make us 5 minutes. I make us 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine.
What was our question?
If I told me but I want to say.
No, no.
Oh,
you me buy hatchet. I
think conversation.
I feel say na SOMPA so na bibia.
Oh, sure. But say crowd here kopa. Oh, Jesus Christ di mo bibia e kama. Na follow me on. Na bibia boko there.
Ya me adom ye Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia idea. Ya yi ni say kutu say bam. Wenya 232 constituencies out of 276. 14 regions out of 16 regions. Na regions are when we need constituency when we need the last time bebre or how wajeno over spread na we calculate percentage of constituencies are winning over 270 furnace 7 na 267 na 84%.
Okay.
Constituencies no.
All right.
84% of constituencies ni winning. Ti said onabu chairman za bunsu kasa you know reach ne dosu. Ewa.
Na say we nyina say mo party mawo.
But sir, there was a lot of agitation and people questioned his legitimacy coming from the 2023 primaries. Say establishment candidate. The team in China on an Crawford. Almost say a chinchim party for one sunny to my about me. And ne Akufo ni Abana Kra wan to be. Or President Kufuor
the same delegate.
I almost to go. Me boy team na baso. Me nwa kuma ya wote here. Domiko abenya you for organize. Adwuma me nwa na yema Dr. Bawumia na say that yema Dr. Bawumia no wa anya appointment kra me ko fufu ba bia me ko no. Me so say na me na ko.
Go fufu ka asama na okay.
Oh yes.
You are on record.
Yes.
To have said.
Derek, I say wa anya appointment me baby am ko no me so say na me na ko. Na me na ko yadwuma because me na yadwuma che. Me nim said ya ne modern monte. Na ade ba cha me ya toroba no. O ka kire me say Domiko abenya ye wo 900 greens. She say delegates on one makasa omo yesho so beto ama ya 900.
Wow.
Ade chi ni enya the exact number
900. That just say boy adwuma.
Yeah, gap no from between 2023 and 2026 because ya bam adwuma Derek aboa o de te.
Derek utara fanka.
Anya adwuma ketwa eti party fo no pe Dr. Bawumia.
Bagana for pe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Ani na ona bu yi ano no. Aban bia wotran so 8 years ana ho afono especially wotran yiye na sa abehia nkwanhia se de hia ya abehia covid abehia Russia Ukraine ene ahokire pi we conservatives of UK no matran so since 2010 omu so for West parliamentary defeat in the history of British democracy in the debate 600-700 years old. The 2024 elections defeat na conservatives in the West omu lose seats ada. So what I say, we all saw how the Democrats lost in US and about 85% of the 60 incumbent governments are not multi about 2024 and apart from Nigeria and a few places are almost fracadam effort ma ba mu nyina lusu poto no enti enya Dr. Bawumia eye ensunsuanso a we are external factors and yan kase yan funso bia ye ba Dr. Bawumia he has not run away from the mistakes of the past government. Ojitum abepacha on behalf of the entire government. Say on air flag bearer. It's the uncle so ye be at say DDEP and a mabunu taxes to say ye live in betting tax amount for any anyone on to before call to abano. Prof and no ye chance say say we are perfect and I say dead good in Ethiopia because me who say candidates we lose general elections no abepacha wo krum hada on record. Prof me who be that. Dr. Bawumia is the first losing candidate. Or the apology Abregana for say because so anko yi nanso me ideas because me ideas crying and anko city because domestic gold purchase program am dey buy you know na NDC for the be abeso so a monopolizing it through gold board and ye dey $11 billion achoko we moderator
address
ye dey $11 billion achoko city and ye stability e dey joy no na mum dey aka na do so. Unemployment, GDP growth, we handed over an economy of 5.7 growth to the NDC. They did 4% from the 5.7, you know, because spending no cost also obey nkukon ketenkete olonche keke wentimi anye also obey feed Ghana on started also obey apprenticeship program afi no atoka as ama coordinated
also obey nkukon ketenkete na me hu wo social media
nkukon ketenkete no ade be chiama atofo sin honorable doctor I read the budget and president ma akoto akoko ba akoko wiem so alonche eti nkukon de sen na maburu ni nya in 2025 financial year omo ankase nkoko ketekete 2026 no mbe ye no enti e marke omo 2026 omo feel ba bia na ma we NEIP adwuma wura omo ankase omo ba 2026 no mbe ye no enso na wotwe na ma se Pablo Minister of Youth akolonche e friend say grant committee afi no mbe start aye adwuma eti enye macros no nkwa ya bo ma so se ono ma yade omanya bi eti omo kaze na MPP egu President Akufo-Addo obaye no Afro barometer goodwill na on na 80%. It is ene Musa dan kwa catch say President Mahama AM 57% first year. Obi ba onya 80. Na so wo MPP egu Emma power 4 years yema 8 years yema 12 years yema 16 years na ke say one Ghana democracy no ntia ase. Because ene no na say so my 11 months 1 month when we timi atua o economy say ayi ahoden wo mu no. A teacher for o ma kira de no. Mu ba ko pe bo so me pe a o mu agitation. Automatic clearance also the more why automatic recruitment you couldn't do it. Into issues a bit me there.
That's 4 years so you can measure them by that.
Exactly the same way so no muntimi measure by say I see don't get ABT your friend is by omia when if quit to forcing Haruna move to omia because 4 years and so exactly that because 3 years is a lot of time. It is a mabro no so 24-hour economy no frakadam adwuma ni ntimi ma obetie ba omia so job creation options opo because the incompetent Mahama eto so ema olusu almost 1 million was through doom so any economic incompetence then there ya boni shirese na be say he is the best to lead the country. Now free say global crisis abama ba me abeshi na free say won't me BM from 41%
only global prices
because issues ejetum say mabunu taxes to say betting tax
and a handling of the economy near man shedan koye
nyina na economy no so what you see economy was stable for the first 6 years even post covid era until 2023 when inflation equal 50 something percent. Now obi or the inflation go 55% what me half on about 22-23 the next year no na kese ka the next year no so no ko betimi aden I improve on it from 22% on the buy no IMF can say the economy was on a restoration trajectory.
Sure.
And near my IMF can ya na eden. Ebam ni say economy no adum pempen so bia na enye na mum e sane anka kakra na ma yiye. Omo predictions omo ye na no na ekoso no. But some of the targets were exceeded because the government deliberately decided not to spend. Nobody can run away from that. Across all their major flagship programs, allocations omo ye for 2025 no. Most of them, they didn't even cross 25% of the 2025 economic allocation. Agree for economic project. Can say, are you the spokesperson for NDC?
Coffee
1.5 billion or mucha to some of the agri program. Saying 200 million grand coffee. You understand? It's okay say, oh share CD the appreciation and the inflation. Yeah, then kwana say no Dr. Baumia ya yin no kra ya yin kwa. Ontimi me yehwe oba onya economic issues nka economic issues be no why chan amabunu adwuma eno nso no so far no kakra waye ni nyina no below satisfactory amabunu no esufro say o kan say obefa education workers for instance 60,000 in the year 2025 ba akukura wa ntimi amfa okay em say o mafa bi behind the scenes NDC for for ministers no ne MPs no o ha no be the appointment letter beto.
She said the name moye na.
Yeah, every time we did advert on portal there wasn't a single time NDC ni bia wo evidence ya fa education for I am published on GES for portal so on Facebook na dey amon family.
But mo party for e dey betu just say appointment under the then leadership of this country Nana Dankwa to be specific.
Yeah.
Appointment na moton.
Oh, I know the mean to be kase BNC. Obu ha for instance, security services. Obu ha we panimu ebia police and immigration and no etimi enya ebia protocol slot. Or ebia oni busuani no de akomo bia jiska. O busuani kura obetimi de akomo bia jiska. You have no control over it. Obu ha said the NDC for ba ya omo yo protocol slot omo so be yebi. Or your party chairman or your regional secretary etimi man slot. Instead so de be call party for no. Now our turn. It happened. I cannot say it didn't happen.
Sure.
Sanya no. And Dr. Baumia say on BBC BM into the digitization. And no delegates akasa o magina tum I will not be a hypocrite to pretend say because this for buy crime ni mo be akoto foreign scholarship.
Foreign scholarship.
Oh yes.
Me ba chop nyabotre. O say unimo me ba chop unimo via wakoto foreign scholarship. Me ba chop please. Me ba chop please. Wakoto foreign scholarship. Auto no wen.
Oh. Nipa no ho.
Auto no sen.
Minim the exact amount.
Now foreign scholarship.
Yeah. Exact amount no.
Me ba chop no.
Minim the exact amount no.
Me ba chop foreign scholarship. Ya ton.
Now security service na busa me na ton. Like adwuma no.
What waji atum say.
Exactly.
Sure. And you can't just make these allegations of foreign scholarship.
These things,
and you know what I'm saying?
Over 100,000. I'm telling you.
Over 100,000.
Oh yes. I can't give you because I can't give you
foreign scholarship.
I'm telling you.
Over 100.
MPP for to be quabru. MPP. I'm telling you. Yes.
Really?
These things you cannot get 100% system. We cannot pretend to be yes.
Allow me. Oh, why? Kofi, I want you to look straight into my eyes.
Yes.
Let's have the conversation. Let's have the conversation. Let's have the conversation.
Yes, Prof.
But oh, Roger, please don't disrupt me. With the greatest respect.
Prof.
Yeah.
May catch say whether MPP or NDC, some of these excesses happen. We cannot pretend and fake say it doesn't happen. We have no mobile security recruitment.
But that's serious. That serious allegation you have made. You have made.
I mean, that Martin Americano. Mean to me, because my security service because they're not for
no, but on the foreign, you can be sure, on the foreign scholarship now.
I'm telling you, say minimum people phobia or Montobias is more rich.
I'm
telling you.
And I'll check on
I'm not sure. Say I say get. I think say I say get fund.
Get
fund.
Oh,
please. But yaton say GMPC, say scholarship secretariat, say get fund, almost foreign scholarship. Nipa na to or the kwa UK. I'm telling you this on authority.
And you know, if you are telling me this on authority,
yes,
then it means that when you are called, you can prove.
Of course, but one say a bit more say Nipa Chrono. Or no he may not be ready for his or her name to be put out.
So it's an allegation. It's an allegation.
Of course. Because you be an say or say I'm being truthful to you, say. And you be an what can't tell me for scholarship no. A basse o me prove publicly or be prove. Common sense, logical because Wakoto illegal inti I said obi akoto counterfeit na say o mara bonti make so akoto counterfeit
okay, but
so
fighting corruption ade bia it's a canker in the flesh of government bia ba etwemo
yes.
of which this government is of no exception. Now what if government says okay, we want to nip this in the bud and then you have an information you can volunteer. You are invited. Will you volunteer the information?
Of course, but the issue is that the beneficiary.
I'm asking you, would you volunteer?
Of course, I will.
You will.
Of course, but if the beneficiary is not ready to, come out, you cannot be successful, even though I catch you.
I am able to mention the name of the beneficiary.
Please.
I'm trying to pretend. They say security services recruitment. Okay. Don't come and sit here. So these are some of the excesses which are paying that Dr. Baumia, any delegates, Kokasai, or catch them says, I am in the NCBM because the IT system service solve. I'm making sure say all these opportunities will be shared equitably across all districts and constituencies. I'm obianya the SO the winya. Said the ministerial appointment as a regional balance. No, and then a CU appointment and also regional and constituency balance. Now making sure the agenda will
all right. So very
and on 10 slots. Our promises say over 7,000 appointments obey and constituency be 10.
Okay, very
to average 3,000 appointments. Now for your Sunday database welfare system aba. No. So corruption make one say me through slots no. You be making sure the system not changing equitably. Now this should be a obenya bian wide when ya
okay
no bian control because or a chief of staff assistant or a CEO assistant or a minister assistant and also a assistant. It's issues on your babam we be and you say name ready both internally in the party and externally in the general public. It's na mono no to no na kan ne Brian Crawford be say about me any message no mo ya mesere. Yeah, manifesto we are not a job creation here. He was talking to the delegates. Delegate they had and say, yeah, the slot to buy chairman bit now, secretary bit now. or there no solution come delegate na kire ne say because say me the database welfare system e ba ne ntin say dey be den because I said this time around me kwa me for appointments nyina me dey time bra mu constituency ntin mo so mo benya somafo a dey wa ban bi onu beba because say the constituency based budget e ba ntin o community problems no it will reflect in the national budget because gata na here ye dey be shem na dey hu solutions aba ana nyame adom delegates na gisa ansem ni nyina tum
no matter aba man okay
it is say no time to face NDC boot for boot as a responsible opposition party and expose them based on our manifesto promises and budgetary allocations Ghana for every now and then who say every sector biano we no cars on mobeka no matimi we omuntimi
all right I mean now I say but middle baba ebeka bi kitu bia from party no one and sana mama akwan ma wako but that serious allegation now will make here no me I don't me listen
why are we pretending
listen Debbie t
until we sure say
me I don't have the evidence
na ndisi aban mo do mo ya friend saying so abofo nti you will get 100% obi nton so da no, you should not pretend. It is something which will happen in the government.
Okay.
So let us all judge and admit the issues in our system and see how best we can. Me, Kofi Abam, by 8 years, obi what I did. I went to Scholarship Secretariat, I went to GMPC, I went to Get Fund, and over 100 party people have facilitated the opportunities.
Really?
Oh, yes. And they are in UK, they are in Canada, and they are in US studying. Some of them, I bought tickets for them. Because Scholarship Secretariat and GMPC is a umcha ticket. Get fund umcha ticket. I can proudly say that. And nobody.
About how many of those people now auto scholarship? They me bacho auto ticket.
Oh, they mean to be in Kaiser 20 and I say.
But omodoso pa.
Omodoso. Very soft.
And there's no scapa.
Oh, let me niska. But sir, you tramika. Me a presidential staffer. I buy the whole opportunities we will.
Sure.
Put me near a Juma Kakao. I don't acquire and every day. That is what I use the opportunities I got in government for. Me constituency for one more than half, over 50 of them. Out of this 100, the rest came from general food soldiers. So I can proudly come here and criticize selling of slots because edienya my party for bufu here. Etienya ye work kukudura ye betimi abeka sansem we no. Because ya anyibe no. Say enokre no one ye kan momianka. Because if you don't admit and acknowledge the issue or her, Prof, you cannot resolve the issue.
Okay, so let's move on. Right. For just 5 minutes, but
right.
She said, "My party no more better than my carbon."
She say, "Ano, senior 92 year, 96 year. I had about 2000. Fibia and your collection competitive from time JH Mensa contesting a contact for a friend of Manchester that Omuwe or by appointing a senior minister and head of something in charge of the economy. No, the same way, and as a branch champion, any friend is saying." Dr. Bamiakwa obetimi abanaba akompreko ene Dr. Bamiakwa obetimi abanaba on the a businessman e bia na wakoso aya ni business no wankase opepe position papa bia etinka bomu no de beba o hwe position
sana ye wadwen o
oh yeah beba because obi ene obetimi akwa NDC zampani fo amabobo mu din so ati ase aye den abenya a few excesses me kai say Alan time
yeah
NDC MPP ni ba ko ba chamfo ena wondo aye beta na odiko NDC. And say, NDC and we still won the 2016 election. And as we said, Arabi, account of Facebook,
yeah, me,
call NDC. One person, Obetimiako, but I don't say, intimate my party, my partner, Mama Bancha, for example, and Alan Lucy and the bitterness or they acquire a regional secretary, it's a deputy regional secretary, so NDC. I call have a position or NDC. So you have a few of these issues. But most of the people, the majority of the people who can team, amu, and then pennyfo, honorable Abenasa Saramo, and then honorable Abenasa Asari. She was Alan, and so President Kufado, every year, no Minister of State in charge of finance. Or your Mrs. I salute, I'm more than Sazuna, where you wire can. I don't just say Dr. Bamia about untimini in your manas on Timmy Macam. You never come boom. Send ya papa Kufado, or ne senior Alan. Omunyina akwatra cabinet ba kum after defeat no sa na sampani for you omune omukoye from Kwabra Japan. You cannot say you no use somebody like Dr. Dichum because he contested you. You cannot say you no use somebody like Kwabra Japan because he contested. And when if omunyina akwatra ba omuye fie after say omuye course congratulating no makunu fie na omuyire mu akochia Dr. Baumia amuni yo congratulating say they pledged their unalloyed support to his candidature. And
yet crocro the John just for the optics. And yet just for the optics.
Dr. Dichum wait to Wendy's. Opportunity near Quenya, the Bama some MPP at Mamono. And they believe in MPP's philosophies and ideals, and in MPP minimum. And unity will not be a problem. See, I am we prime minister. No, you have polling station, electoral area, constituency, regional and national. Now you have strong leadership. You have strong flag bearer. Now flag bearer any party leadership partner share. Your manifesto committee in here, sector where we unemployment NDC for what solutions are we going to bring to solve the unemployment problem? What I see, the economy is not growing at the pace it should. A DM proposition here, they are going for us an alternative. It's Sani Manana Yaba focus on.
Right.
Near the Ashishania burden near Chagana for say, and Tokobi anyhow. Obuhana first, Obaka NDC, MPP, Hunyana Kono because you can talk. Say, Prof. Asa. Obian kofro bi hu biom ntima bom pedifo abaso so mu hu nyansa ame ye to aba we ntem amanfo tenche ne ha o say top down ha o efa ho ben between 96 and 98 the same abon e de koto ye because ne pese ye 298 intem ne nya 2 years a company for 2000 election e bi ni aye no said e be nya enough time to campaign for 2028 election prof nka bom ne de abeba ama nyame boa Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be president of the republic come January 2029.
Kofi Ofosu kasa ma me na ase pass over.
I say one day ma me kwan be 2 hours.
Kofi Ofosu Kofi Ofosu kasa me na ase pass over here. Me ba twa ye twa ho abasese but there's going to be wait some bites right here.
We salute Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan for his passion, his firm belief in accountability, and his unshakable commitment to the ordinary Ghanaian. For me personally, this is a friend, true and trusted, with whom I share a code. I believe that in this life, in all situations, loyalty to friendship is very essential. And man must not forget his friend, because there is everything wrong with a friend. My relationship with him remain unsoiled till time shall be no more. But I equally recognize, and he himself recognizes.
I'm really thrilled to be here this evening to share this very somber moment with all of us. I identify with all the sentiments expressed by my fellow aspirants. I also want to add that we have a wonderful opportunity to restore the values that animated the formation of this solid party, the MPP. We can be proud of our forebears, that our tradition is the tradition that is responsible for the sustenance of democracy in our country. And together we will unite, and I trust that we'll work hard, as we've always done in the past, right from the polling stations up to the top. Let's work together with a passion and a purpose for the people of Ghana. I am confident that we will earn the trust of Ghanaians. We will earn the confidence of Ghanaians. And in 2028, the elephant will be...
The former President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the flag bearer elect Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, all the aspirant presidents, party chairman, general secretary, minority leader, chairman of the Council of Elders, and MPP party. I stand before you to pledge my support, also to accept the results declared by EC. The delegates have spoken.
SOMPA FM.
And I want to plead with my supporters that they should stay calm and respect the results and help all of us to work together to win 2029 or 2028 election. I want to advise my supporters. First, I want to thank you, but I advise that in election, you can win and you can lose. So if you lose, you have to accept it in good faith. So let's all of us throw our support to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the flag bearer. And all I say is, MPP, we need unity in the party. But unity comes with respect. We have to respect each other's views. That is all I want to say tonight. So congratulations to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and MPP. Thank you.
Good day to all of the New Patriotic Party and to all Ghanaians. Dr. Ayal Seduchum, few months ago, declared to contest as a flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. The elections was held yesterday, and the outcome is known to all. Yesterday, I called my brother, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, our flag bearer, and I congratulated him. This morning, I've gone to visit him
SOMPA FM
to formally congratulate him for the success in the election. To all those who supported me across the length and breadth of this country, to the pastors who prayed for me, to my campaign team who worked so hard, my family that sacrificed everything for me to contest this flag bearer position, for all those across the world who called to encourage me, I want to say I'm grateful to every one of you. I'm very grateful. I'm eternally grateful. Now we have begun a new phase. Our party is now moving on with a leader to prepare us for success in 2028. To every one of our party members, I call on you to rally behind our leader, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, so that we can secure victory on December 7, 2028. The journey is not going to be easy, but I think with a united effort and commitment, we will be able to secure power and inform the government in 2029. I want to appeal to all those who prayed for me to continue to pray for me. I will do my very best to support the flag bearer. Anything that he wants me to do, I will do it, because the New Patriotic Party, our vision is to ensure that we develop this nation in freedom. We can do this if we come together, and I'm available to participate in the process so that we will secure victory, as I have already indicated.
Teachman of way, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni, Punning in Radio Thursday, 10th April 2025. Why you show room for fun? Master Techiman Quanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and that's a backsword Nidia Nimshe.
Rabajo Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and then Yama Papa Kahunina. Now, when you be, Edical for Baku 50, Ebenya 15% discount. And ya chedie, it's your rabbit idea. Kahuna, say now.
To me, Chenya, and you bet you, and not dear Vedachi. Now, so, you bet me up one manina pomodi free more France. Jam Vita, the milk pap peppy, Minuchuvi, aye, ye, Unquada, Etania, a day now, a more dear a woman of Womo fra pomodi. I knew, in penny for swinging, Chopa. Awobano apomudi minimum frase. Yamvita gumo do baby. Yamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA aji ejodi yunkrato yatu.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abasobo o magine wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enyasem ketewa. Wo mu ji international awards ahodo, wo mu ji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill roundabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fra 0540-311-311 0540-311-311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yanum sani afadwen. Ne afadwen ampa. Say na nim say baby beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa chiya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no. Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden. Tontina 74 yinso yaye ne se nsuo kokoro kama enti baabi a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ. Samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74. Samennom tontina 74 menya hodi mennom ne dabia. T74 yi hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a. Woko pharmacy ana baabi eto nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato. T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu. Eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atum.
We shall for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Exactly 5 o'clock. You better announce the phone lines, 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Your friend Kobla ABOTCHIE, aka PROF. On behalf of the team once again, your mama Kwaba, Beju Edisu. Ebo, what today?
Nyamina adum.
Bibi aboko.
Adum yalo. Nche na mesha white but mkrobebi azem ken mkuchwa passport picture.
Se MPP edin kunim Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edin kunim.
Nche mesha white.
Wedin kunim tina nka
Nche mesha white. Na mum na background na picture mkuchwa background ya white. To kacha no mfa. Na mkro ni mo passport.
Na adentina na wo share white.
Nche Dadana.
Dada bang.
Dadana. Ati dam nyumida. Nyame dadana na no nyuko. Yani as e be replace nyamin as e be besho. Bawu dadana na no nyuko. Onyuko opposition.
Na anyum we da bena.
Oye. On the spur of the moment.
On the spur of the moment.
Yes. Oye bawu dadana na no nyuko. Onyuko opposition bio.
And you go opposition.
Ebencha what na wache. Na Bawumia ti Bawumia na nkasa kade. And I'm surprised the MPP for hey, politics. Bawumia say he gave them reason why they should not vote for him, but they refused.
What was the reason?
I see. Last election, the president of Ghana was going to be a Northerner. Now, so Northern is we are. Oboko other regions, and so Bachelor and Sana were not bio.
That was then.
No,
that was then.
Then.
It was in a particular contest.
Contest bio. Maman can bio na eti Dr. Bawumia no ma samo you be no forcing.
Ebrebe no kasa asam no.
In the run up to the last election,
2024 elections.
No Kejina North. No catch a North for day. Abayer Botui. Ye pure impure. The president of Ghana no obey Northerner. Na so aye Northerner we are. Aban president on ban not bio. Obe chalan sana wa ba. Inti mo want to Mahama. No one 2 man no anu oto no anu butwe 8 years. Mama butwe 4 years pe. Mama ye Northerner. Wosu ye Northerner. Mama Northerner du sisi ale. And the next president will not be a Northerner. So why was he fighting to be president? And when I'm a catch out there, this election, that election they had Saturday, was not about choosing somebody to lead the party to victory in 2028. It was the battle over who controls the soul and direction of the party. Because we're only 2028 who controls the party? One theory there. Theory no was about there. Oh, as you call ye, and you book you, and you book you. So, but my head, Damaza, you control over the party. On a second one, you to Akobio, and Akobio, what's it say, or in a future Mumpa, when you Baba. No, they wanted to get hold of the party. Since I when your party was the party named Film, not the dome, was in Ninum, was it baby Pomutum, was it Zimuina, now complete takeover of the party. And my suspicion is that I'm sure next primary no post.
The next primary?
Yes, that's my suspicion.
2032?
Yes. Until listening. Nankasa Kessin on a part of one, they are not interested in 2028. MPP for Nankasa went to
Obeko unopposed in 2032 because 2028. Obabe or Mamping?
No.
On that premise?
Losing. The market the man Nasin there after the presidency in the north, the next president will not come from the north. No, catch a Ghana.
So you see it as
and you may catch that. Makade, some Muhammad, the next one should not be a northerner. But when Nankasa Poro the president, no catch a Ghana for you now there. Some Muhammad the president, you are. If you not the next president should not be a northerner. Because Obachel, I said that 5 northern regions now, or other 11. Into Obachin, maybe the next one is Central, and that's Oboko Bono, Oboko and son of Abanot Bio. So why was he fighting to lead the party? Have you seen a trick there? This election was not about who is going to lead the party to victory in 2028. It's about who controls the soul and the direction of the party. And that is why the major winner in this election was not Bawumia.
Who was the major winner?
The man who was dancing as some Pepe Martin said, "Oh yeah, Akufo-Addo."
Akufo-Addo was the winner.
He's the winner.
Why?
He controls the party. And then you put a what G financing.
Until the Opache said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia would be controlled by Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
That will be controlled. He's being controlled already. Obianyim. So Dama a early congress won't cray. Dama bottom or top bottom was as they were ye. Akufo-Addo now no nyima anche won yon ye. The party is Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo is the party. And that is the truth. Look at one of what's were here. So-called research. Tell you. Man, you can say former majority leader.
Honorable Osei Mensah.
Yes. I see. Research Okumasi. No, search Mensah research. The problem of the party.
But I watch you on a different platform and you were saying, the problem of the party was Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Yes. Of course, it's a common knowledge. I'm saying that I was supported by Bawumia. Also, why I research Ashanti region. The researching said Obika Chair was there. Bawumia was the cause of their defeat in 2024. Actually, Osei was Obocho report to them. Professor Michael Kwe, I not support Bawumia. Why was he made the leader to go and do the so-called research? Why was the report not made public? No, we are quickly. Also 1 year, when you present up first. Because what crowd from Okatin same be there. So one more can my watch as a polling station, Kennedy Japan will take over the party. So that fear of Kennedy Japan taking over the party from the polling station election up, on normal, why damn I will eliminate Kennedy. Now Ken is almost eliminated from the party. Na Pompo is thrown. In the video now.
I saw the video.
Yeah. Na Pompo is thrown, Yanko Ken or is thrown. But you see, in painful assembly worker, what's a more comaba? What's the one in Panano? Na mo come baby Ose or Shin Penitirum. Miss the Bioa. Miss the Bioa.
Sakabio Mamenti.
Miss in Penifossi. Morocco Maba. What's the one in Panano? Na mo come baby Ose or Shin Penitirum. Nti yama nyimpa katam biala no da di ejuma mo hye ne tim mpo no yo hu ame mese dada na say MPP funankasa waka for candidate na nyim there. After a notna, the next president will not be a notna. Waka for na one wajejeje. Na mum in sama one waka kan tie won ho in sama kasa ebisi kana Japan wa bodam ebisi ba omia you autistic ebisi ba omia liar in sama kasa won kan me fi Kepos me fin Kepos wa bose what trying ba omia na wa two against him again because the man second people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. We are building airport and harbor for you. You go na me fi mu airport biala mu harbor biala nti yanze ya bose the paper you be about 20 pa o send atro akasa do be kire hen na obi so twa atro ze sabi enye ne be hinanyim za e better jet 1,000 times nti an interim san pencha white o send cracks in one MPP munu or manano is even going to deepen further. Do you know why? Because now they are take Dr. Bawumia look closing statement now. He paid special tribute to the MPs I was supporting. Into one supporting mark my words. Afenyomak input now is being threatened. Afenyomak's position as a minority leader is under serious threat because a supportee can Japan. Nanche about some non-choy one more baby. There, Afenyomak does he have to explain himself? If you supported Ken, na Ken Winia, must he explain himself, justify why you supported Ken? Because there's a problem in the party. But you don't go for because sentiment because the man will be sworn. Some there. The 3 days joy of having a rigged election but peaceful voting. Oh,
you want to say Abachoram Kotuere was rigged?
My catch out there. Election is a process, it's not an event. The fact that 1 or 2 about 2023, 1 or more 2 about you. No, we was the government appointees, previous government appointees, MCs are Akuma Baumena appointed, was one in our home. Oma oya azini easy ma Baumbian, oya rigged election, name oya peaceful voting. Peaceful voting. That must 3-day joy, cannot erode the pain that MPP inflicted on Ghanaians through economic mismanagement, stealing, galamsey, wasteful expenditure, and what have you. So we are all waiting. Man, I'm going to buy that. This is the beginning. Mr. So what the studio why when your heart pacer? Because I feel matters of the heart. I feel making your heart attack.
Be part of Sassam now, can as a trainer is saying.
This is a new studio and opera bro.
Why more?
And this if we and I can't one come out because you don't see when you have
NDC4.
Oh, so MPP free. Sorry, MPP free. I can't and one come out now. Oh, when you matters of the heart. Man, matters of the heart. Man, think what come on, baby. Why you heart attack? Politics on you on today, Busia. I mean, who politics as a Busia? I mean, a channel to major UP. That's how I am.
But you know, bet me
if UP why be not permit on your Busia some.
Say UP me bacho. Say UP be I
will leave. They know the kind of person I will leave. That's why I left MPP 2010. I left easily. I walked away because I've survived to date because my life does not depend on politics. Nobody should make a mistake and make his life dependent on politics.
Ebo Backman?
Oh yes, I'm telling you.
Your life is not dependent
on politics. That's why I speak my mind. Because I'm a can. A piano and pure macan. And see, working Dr. Bawumia, Mark to you nacho. Bawuda na no anyone on your local opposition.
And over I mean now I say the SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Exactly 6 minutes to 4 p.m. Baby Obiano. This is the socio-political talk show you are taking to a lesson this afternoon. But I'm Amasama Bruni, Makwaba. Amasama Bruni, Makwaba.
Major Super Prof.
You are still wearing It Is Possible.
Oh, of course.
Because you have won.
In life, everything is possible when you set your mind to it. Possible. But first and foremost, me chair my constituents, Amasama constituency for And then okay. First and foremost, me chair Amasama constituency 4. And then kudos to all MPP members over the weekend Yakoto Aba. In fact, Abatona Yakoto, you know, is one of the most peaceful presidential primary Yakoto in the history of Ghana. Yakobaye, yantise at the grounds, you know, yabu obi, yadi acid chesu obi, eda yadi sikani kontimba chesu obi ewoho. In fact, the media reportage amumaye ebepimene, there's not been a single pocket of violence ewo bebia. So it tells you, say, no matter what obeka ewahano, you can't take the shine away from the AC Saturday, no. Prof, follow process, no. I believe you are very much encouraged because I listened to you on Saturday. We do panelists and more studio analysis and it was everything had to do with some analysis. You were not reporting incidents of violence. Say, okay, you need a reporter waha ebedin komo you see violence be AC wahani sa anyama. And no, and even the opposition, the governing party, that's the NDC, through their national chairman, Omar Boy Abasu say, you're holding the most peaceful presidential primary. So we encourage all political parties to learn from the new patriotic party. And Medjina Wesu, Abo Committee in Abaso, the Presidential Election Committee, now Masambo, the General Secretary, Justin Fripon Kodia, Abasopa, for this kind of successful election. Because it is a football. The team we need their praise players, but team ni lose, now you the blame now come coach. In Anka Bibi Bonnie Esia and Kebinu better no more attention on the General Secretary. So it's a positive so I'll give it to the General Secretary too as well. Prof, before me start, Ebo Etiha catch say Dr. Mahmoud Bamia win ni win na we win President Mama President Nanado na a winner about sure. You see, some of the things are amount for a canon and then new in our politics. I keep saying there are certain things here static about you are. It tells you say it's beginning to give you signs and symptoms of victory ahead. Prof, this is Chronicle of 16th July 2008. Headline: Rawlings can't dictate to me. Mills tells Dunkwa chief. Okay. Rawlings can't dictate to me. Mills tells Dunkwa chief. Let me read the story in the kakra. The National Democratic Congress NDC flag bearer Professor Evans Atta Mills on Tuesday broke his long silence over allegations that former President Jerry John Rawlings has control over every decision that he takes in his political career. Speaking to Dunkwa Traditional Council during a courtesy call on the chiefs of the area as part of activities lined up for his 4-day tour of the central region, Professor Mills said he found it absurd when the MPP lawyers that he taught and examined at university now make such allegations against him.
And it's Dr. Mahmoud Bamia.
And it will be etnaha. No, me lay the foundation say wait, BB say any new in our politics. Okay. To tell you say wait bar we never control. Finally, President Mills ebe lead the country way ebe a president. No any Rawlings cry any niesi or montem. Even good morning. Na yeding. But you see, primaries are your koye. There's one thing I have learned from Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. And I'll say obi bia o sorry in modern day. So o bompire na se upe abotre pa. Nyame, Mami Dr. Mahmoud Bamia abutre ne bi. Oh yes.
Sir.
Yes.
In modern days. In
modern day. I'm not talking religious. Okay. I'm talking of in modern day.
In modern day. So we are denga.
So bompire. Kache Nyankopon say omo Dr. Mahmoud Bamia abutre ne bi.
Why?
Why? Because this is an election now. In fact, provocation, vitriolic attacks, insult, and you obi anetimi have that self-composure. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, throughout the campaign activity, Prof. Futiha, did you hear him say one word? Did you hear? Or Dr. Bamia respond to one insult? No. And a video cry me who ya about Dr. Mahmoud Bamia say, "Onu ya insulting na, say ya nukra and funny home, say ya ntra and funny home." That is the kind of composure and patience all of us must try to emulate. Enti nyama bi wo ha ya kan about Doctor, I'm really, really happy, say, I supported him, and I've not regretted. And then the outcome of the election crowns is here, actually, the kind of victory I watch, okay, because we're making gains from the previous ones. Greater Accra, for instance, the last elections, we need 19 constituencies. This time around, we need 32 constituencies.
Wow.
The kind of I was telling people, say, opponents, I told people point blank, say, there is no way Honorable Ken can win even 3 regions. Anka me a poster, anka me sumube me abaso. Okoye from 2 regions, about 1. So that should tell you something. About 1.
Sir.
And that's a central region kwano win here. Dr. Brian Eji voter region free in same. And Dr. Mahmoud Bame we need 14 regions. So it tells you the kind of endorsement that. And Prof. Ukai the last time I told you one thing, say me Dr. Mahmoud Bame victory, me share Ashanti region. And Ashanti region vote, and Diambuana, I would have still had issues. Out of 47 constituencies in Ashanti region, Dr. Mahmoud Bame we need 45. That is the engine of the party. And look at the resounding endorsement of Mumano.
But these are delegates.
19,700 against the closest one, the 8,603. You see, Sauka said delegates are some Musa Danko or any research now, and you'll be on an interview or for sample size. So a delegate system, a reflection of a certain group of people. That delegates no muto about polling station executives coordinated in this annual or money amount for neti in their polling station area or money amount for Edin Kobo, and they reflect the views of the people because I'm not a campaign. And largely Ocean AC Ashanti region, most largely about Ebufo. And for them to come out like this and vote massively for Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bame tells you that they've gotten over those issues and they are now ready to go out there. So make sure say Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bame win. Because most of the population now about 2 million of them are within Ashanti region. So I can tell you that victory is not too far away. And I like near Kofi Ofosun Kayano from 39%. President Kufuor RID is 54. So be to her. No old daydream say want to mean free 41 and cross here. Then on revising the notes. So be so at how ene or your projection. No catch out say candidate be a beba NDC beba. Dr. Mahmoud Bame be lose against that way. And I like near leader Kayano. Then a prophecy. Because you want to mean some and you can't foretell the ABC the next 6 months away. Before COVID best strike. Prof, we never saw it coming. Say Babe drew Emira airport, port, in fact, human movement will be restricted across the world. No, foresee we overcame it. So for you to sit today, now I see why a research be say obi bia Dr. Bame face obi lose. Then it means you don't study political history as well because data should have guided you. Say obi free 39. We need presidency.
And per analysis here we Musa Dankwa sa and some of the two abonting anya dia no cray.
But politics Prof, if you are going for
maybe say anya no cray.
If you are going for an election, but I don't even want to waste my time and engage in something like that because election utimi your preparation in a D-Day on the grounds utimi lose election on D-Day. Obi a wako election bia will tell you say nya uye bia no you make provision for D-Day. What I say because one action or inaction from team members on D-Day etimima delegates and voters on that day ebufu no mako to abetia. So obi te ha no catch us say 3 years from now because NDC say omu ni candidate to afi na prepare no started. Now Prof, I can tell you you've overcome the DSCR. We are now preparing towards peace. Omu dia afe na cracks na eba. And it is when we say mra na omu ya na say ya fifiko te be ready ye. Sa draconian mra omu ya just to favor asedun ketia no. Ube hun the challenges are ebe start to say ebeba within the party. And I'm foreseeing crass there will be legal battles where party bet me akwa mra say these people are exempted, but these people are gagged from contesting elections. You will see, and that is the beginning of the crack. And okay, Fonka game.
I remember.
You remember very well. So when I hear NDC today trying to make mockery of MPP, then I say, people, you don't learn from history. Mudia, a year time to the extent, say, Prof, look at one of the issues at SE. This is 7th June 2011. My joy online. Game Funka in near clash at NDC headquarters. Yeah, my see omo time no. Attempt the pure attempt the But what has happened? NDC is back in power. NDC nkwani political party from 92. Omanye nchichemuche any political party. From Bidzidi mo omu break away Obeda Samu omu break away ni Nana Kunedo Ajiman Rollins break away. But still NDC is here. NDC is ruling the country. So if you are obia with the politics for some time, ubetinana we analysis, you will be guided. So these are challenges every political party echo through. When you lost the elections of 2000, many of your members never gave a chance that NDC will be back again. Mulusi 2016. Ebi mu kofa friends say sa dia na edi share kono prof doctor said di ma say ebi a okon ya oya odi share no your friends say
neck de mehu
sa dia no ebi mu kofa bi share ye ebi mu to kwan kwa abrochire till say munya victory ewie ye na omo ko yi sa dia no suddenly omo kon no enye omo ya biom but for 8 years na kon no e ye omo ya
why can it be specific with some examples be about there be wona work there be
sa trap yi dem atra
Debbie. You see
that's a trap. Penny for be amudi POP show omo
so you can mention names.
Ebi mu pretend so omo nsa ebu omo ntimi nya party
hwan mo
ebi mu crazy party no
pa Amasama Bruni
ebi mu crazy jo mama dem on try so
so I'm asking you hwan mo
o me hu bi
why no
me from within the course of it me can
then it's not true.
It is
not true.
I'm telling you.
Debbie.
You know.
I don't know anything.
I like the devil's advocate.
No, I'm not playing the devil's advocate, but I just want us to know.
But see, among 48 Kwaja NDC party, they stood their grounds. Some of them had conviction. Said no. Okay, ni brother Kra Ibrahim Mama. Or Katina radio so catch man sign in I say. Ebusianu posi my president Mama contest because atem the dienu edosun. Ene you no president. So these are challenges a political party goes through. So we lose the election. But I'm telling you, near SC Saturday, the reason why I'm happy is Prof. Saturday delegates are going to make a statement. What is the statement? There's this mantra Bimuka and a Wuba Daben and a join in 92. We ended it on Saturday. We are now telling people say so MPP. If you deserve a role, you'll be given. We have ended that role or that tagger. No, Fukai, no, I don't Combom Party. You understand?
Party.
That tag has been taken. This is the second time the new patriotic party, Akophobia or non-Akana, Olidier. That is now giving my brothers up north and elsewhere the hope say in MPP we don't deal with people based on religion, tribe, color, or creed. We look at your competence. And no statement that Yako make on Saturday. Another thing so Yako make you on Saturday has to do with say. If party, party, the party nasi, be grateful to the party. Men ya adia Emma party ni feel say, Wunkwana ubwa party no ba party no enye bibiamo because I was say unye adia ananka nyema ebehye amanfo abonten nkran. So MPP party there. So udoma na opportunity ba yema. Enti say me come on meet her. Say MPP misikenia. I was say me betina radio so nka say MPP and amama be kamala mabeye. So that ebe show be soon crying. But if you are making the party look like say party no a ungrateful party, you are discouraging other people from joining the party and then also Mboa party. That is what has happened on Saturday. And me, I'm now very much encouraged. And ye see say the MPP party a united, resolute. Say ye kwako wini 2028.
About say am united.
What say?
Say am united.
Yako what is center kwa BSC.
And
but after election, what is it?
Is it not for the optics? Is it not for the optics?
Maybe Dr. Bamia catch what can say. There's this popular saying say after competition comes with cooperation. Say yet two way. Obi and Timi betina ha prof. Whether a year for the optics, whether it is in a mirage, whatever it is, no, we now have a leader. And the leader is Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Say every MPP communicator betina o program we so the only person you have the right to project and the candidate Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, our flag bearer. Indeed, that is one thing I'm very much encouraged about. Say that is the unity we are talking of. If all of us will now talk in unison, we will not discriminate. Because first, in the time, people will take side. Say, hey, because of me supporting Hanti and Emma Mekano. Now, nobody can accuse me of that. And that is the joy I have. And you see, Prof, this is idea late Professor Dubois in Kanye. Or see, after the later Dubois in Okaya, Prof, after the flag bearer is elected, anyone who doesn't speak the language of the flag bearer and sing the song of the flag bearer or does anything that will barricade the success of the great party into winning power should be treated like an enemy because he is not a true blue party boy. Every one of us, we are going to sing the tune of Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We are going to speak his language. We are going to speak just every step of way. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia echo. And you know, radio and TV so will echo it. And internet, my bet now who say still, Masha, it is possible with Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on it. And that is the candidate we are bringing. That is the candidate. NDC is beginning to have sleepless nights. From Saturday, they have started having sleepless nights because they know the person they are going to meet. Nyama bebre omo kan efane ho. Time approving the right. Omo kan kire say Haptel ni de. Ebe pibe na omo ba abemu. Time has proven Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia right say Haptel ni de. And so omo kan ebe pibe they've not apologized to Ghanaians for lying to them. The other your friends and Kofi Ofoso gold for reserve via or the buy and no say uncle your economy ejina. Whether you like it or not, there's nothing you can say. There are a lot of ideas or there about electric buses policy or start here before you be free abemu or the buy and that is what the Accra mayor and the like I almost call it for say yemfa ya import be bring bro mine and to me easy the transportation challenges are your mine. So Prof, if you say largely no, Saturday the MPP delegates have gone out to express confidence they have in Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They have made a clear statement, say, election na yakoya no, say the subuano bo enipa bakwa enye ye. Ye nyina na yakwa abatoa no, sanka ye victory. Just as Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and me claim victory no alone no. When it is defeat so we cannot attribute it say or no Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nkwane was say on for that blame. But NDC shouldn't worry. Obviously, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia cannot speak about the economy. You know one thing, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia doesn't need to speak about the economy. The economy will speak for Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The economy itself will speak.
That's what you think?
Yes, because the artificially managed city will speak for Dr. Bawumia. I just say Bema Ubo Busia, Edisha Oyere. Prof,
meet you.
How sustainable is that? Maybe for the first 1 month, 2 months, so a year what dream say a year bet me at twaso. To say about do time, I won't say in about a year time and realistic. Then that is be a what dream back at say I was on copy Juma year. Nyama Ebema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or no economy never speaking is the kind of promises you've made. And no, that was and a president call and a president call. I feel no catch say the vice president will bring a women's bank. No, I feel no already proposed and beba. Your friends and cabinet no more shame. It tells you say time omu promise women's bank no mun share the name what exactly or how exactly omu person omu running because a blueprint no wo it is not Cecilia and a vice president.
All right, so we'll get to
what I say. So these are the things 24-hour economy and take you off here and take you off so when it comes to around that time no be a what if you on juma ubo single digit inflation channel and juma and reflect on the packet obi a why juma 12 months what 3 and 1 month no satam no unka dollar city because all these things on the bottom line is that it has to reflect in the lives of Ghanaians.
I mean now I saying I mean cows Electroland Ghana Limited for boy as well as kese pa ma yeri for God and country you be na bremo na wie kai say yaka Electroland Ghana Limited is the home of quality electronics. Hot na kwa abenya electronics papa your TV, your air condition, your fridges, your washing machine, kettle, rice cooker, microwave ovens and blenders ni gida na mebusia so pepe bia wo de be kira wo beto ayesa electronics ni na kai Electroland Ghana Limited me ba cho omo type products we omo type bi ewo ho omo Nasco product omo media product omo Samsung product omo TCL product and many other products. Remember, Electroland Ghana Limited has the answer for you. Omo niema na omo tong no very 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 durable. Say ebane quality musua eye dutwem bomodem pa na hwehwe omo Techiman ewo Kumase kwan no so a say wo Kumase afa we kire Kasi Junction Tech Junction in crying a dental barrier Dansuman roundabout industrial area Biademel complex ne den hwere mo sa hwehwe omo Sunyani Mankesim Cape Coast Takrade and Tamale from 0245 949495 0245 949495 na ukoto ade wo a ye wo eye discounter ye de emau just about some 20% discount na de biada da no mu bia na wo mu amko akoto ade first 15 customers no ebenya some other gifts. Remember, Electroland Ghana Limited, that's where quality electronics sells very well. Adrowe Makacho say ahobanbo edro kese pa meka tonti na 74 T74 na ewo dwaman so na edrowe no me pato to na wonum a asiesie wo nipadua na mpo no sa yade bi adokro ache na sa yade no wakwa yade no nko a Electroland Ghana Limited na beka wasema ma so obi a wo jinso yi ya wo no so ye be ma jinso agise wo kyem obi oso okase nipa ho a Jesus sa nipa no otwe ne ti ko nechi yam kro ana oba obu ne nsa a ede amane ne ohaw ne apinisie bre no no me pacho sa nipa no ohia tonti na 74 T74 obi oso otena sikakra na ne na ase nyina aso me pacho tonti na 74 ebeka wasem ede amawo yare kwankro bia obi wo a na ne sugar level no wo soro obi also a wanya mojabroso or you hypertensive. Remember, a draw who here paro, a tonti na 74 T74. So what do we check drugstore pharmacy show be obenyebi? Kai say a draw you know, a Food and Drugs Authority for AG Atum na Shannon so. Enyema waba wafefru, waba wama akodano for nasa kai say akoda wadi below 12 years and also enyema no. Me pa choba timi abomodon afre 02460 73498 again 050 162 8931. Me pa chopa ne dudu mo a Okanshi drug lane e won kran ha se wo Kumase so a Ashtown Colinac Herbal Tontina 74 aye dudru mapa na maminko Roger nchen Roger ma kwa ba pa so mic no mama why me pa chobo ko de
oh body adaroma wo hwe eya anamo His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama ena Ghana phone na omode omonsa aba on board na ye hwe the transformation eba oman Ghana mu ameka se bibia eden eye boko na mamemfa akwanye su entia eye His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama na minchia na bedi eche eye Professor Jenana Opoku Ajiman na minchia all government appointees ena CEOs ni MMDCs ni obibia all born home modern ma aban no afa ne ntumapa Efra na bochi mekanisa no me fama no see without acknowledging the party leadership because ye kase ngofo abodwuma amagana regaining independence. You cannot say that without putting into consideration the effort of the grassroots and then the leadership titrio the party chairman baby obia no michiano. Now aboti
yes
before I measure say man person me read something in the line of Shakespeare. Nah Shakespearean style.
Bacho, go straight. Right, meet you. In the line of Shakespeare, you pick it. You pick it from there.
Yes,
and then you make progress. Okay, so make progress for me.
Good one there. I say, to tread the old path, and still, yet demand new grounds is folly dressed in hope.
As a trainer saying.
Yeah, me patcher ni say. Say MPP4, A2 anamon. MPP4. Etu anamon na omafa ekwan ba koso efeli na omo se ombesa fa saa ekwan ni so asa efeli no etise self amusement mame fambra eye twi kasemu sebi won ye nuanom a omo hu nentwi ejanan da eni awo ana aho sako bat asiye no na any aye peche inside no is pechement. Sana MPP party no the picture and I say the display now almost say oh we've gone for a peaceful election no. Sana it's like a cow dung.
Sir.
And in I the ding na inside no the in toto. A hot and a problem no.
And you say the omo ye nyina no ni so.
Ni so. Danko dada.
Danko dada.
Because on one of
say asumdwe abom party no.
Yes, aside that no, they are not aiming at winning any election. As a matter of fact, they will not go into any election and win. What you say? No one almost your mabo former president Mahama Shiri and Omoduna Abba. They should not forget that a decorated monkey is always a monkey. In Ghana for Yehu, Yashe, Yem the Ekoso.
But your people now, and for people not to why.
You're
good.
Now, Omoka San Mamifan one by one. Almost say, Baumian Eddie, the gold for reserve, a buyer. Abochi, it is on record. Say, as at 1960, Ghana had a gold reserve of 8.7 tons before MPP took over. This initiative was under, the first president of Ghana, a year Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Na sebio sa gold no satan BOG no more mining company and I say no mutu mines. Eno munya sa gold ne to. Purchasing. Na eno mo yeye. Intino, it is not something new. They just came to rebrand because they are good with naming ceremonies. Example is renaming universities. Obidin seed money. ADAC. San Diego de Deben, naming after their patrons. Let me not talk much about that. One or more can say we should give credit of the performing currency, CD, no, and for more, and there, no catch say the artificially managed performance of Ghana's CD will be exposed. That means or I'm using that means that they don't even know what it means to manage and run an economy. Aside that, as I say, because we were deliberately not spending into maybe sir. If now we say you are not going to deliberately spend that, what is it? Is it not an economic policy? An economist no musuya almost say once you handle an economy, spend without having controllable measures. And I say they should go back and then come again. Now, also Ekasano, or say the first time I'm going to election obi ewini omanhwe religious and I say any tribal and regional balances and omoko chusu baomia ba anya bia baomia enka buzia dankwa dombo tradition wana oka ho bi adenti no manfa ken number because ken enye buzia dankwa dombo tradition adenti no manfa engineer amba because engineer enye buzia dankwa dombo tradition. I don't know man for do mamba because onye buzia dankwa dombo tradition into still on that religious or tribal ethnocentric basis no they have failed. My yanko what you say? Almost akasa no msi military recruitment. Abochi you was saying na MPT for a recruiting yema military for pass it out without forms being sold. It is on record. It is on record. Yen you see a tumbra na ya trace ye into the material say it is on record. You can just google into no MPP say almost shenanigan tactics no Ghana for yehu nini na sale of scholarship jandama kojo fosu in cancer better na hase no abochi I was expect Kofi
please
no
make your point.
Yes, I'm mentioning his name. He said it on this air. I was sitting here.
Make your point.
I'm making my point.
Sure, I'm listening.
Yes, so such a jandam tactic strategy say MP before akoto scholarship from your government no I am daring him and I am calling him on authority say if he is a man who claims that he has sat on radio to make such proclamation. Umbra out. No for evidence, Nimbra, because we're a patriotic citizen now. We want to blow the country. And we, as a government, believe in the rule of law. on first names no embra emetu dwa so that we conduct an investigation and call the perpetrators to book. Because
Gabriel Kofi Ofosu and Kansa Ekain. The allegation of
he didn't say it's an allegation. He said he said it on authority.
Wait.
Yeah.
I quoted him as saying, say, as some now we don't have any evidence to that effect. But and I asked, sir, as some now is he saying it on authority? And he said yes. He confirmed it.
Yes. So I am saying,
but for me, as I sit here, I view it as an allegation.
No, that is your view.
Sure.
That is your perception.
Good.
And that is your opinion.
Good.
But I am saying with his statement, if he feels he has the balls, the guts, then he should man up and present data or facts so that we can investigate and call the perpetrators to book. And yes, sir, national security.
So you are so you are daring him.
I'm daring him.
Kofi Ofosu Nkansa.
Yes. This is a very serious indictment.
All right. So go ahead.
If national security is listening, they should pick him up and he has to answer to questions. What you say? Because you can't come and sit on such a noble platform and make some vague statements. People are listening. People are learning. And they will not take us serious if we speak in that manner without providing evidence. I mean, verifiable evidence. Intino, baby, on I think I will say national security for a ton safreno. Now, I'll answer those questions, or they should aid.
Proceed.
In investigations. Abochi, now, with a year MPP issues, yes, Bawumia has won. We are not surprised because, as a matter of fact, Bawumia momo. For some time now.
More NDC for Mona Muchusu Bawumia MPP for.
Yes.
Is that what you are saying?
When you were
please.
When you were speaking.
Amasama Bruni. Nyabotre. Wo kase more NDC for Mona Muchusu Bawumia MPP for.
Yes.
Abochi,
when you were speaking, I did the honorable thing. I sat down, do the honorable thing.
Please,
nice gentleman.
Please make progress. Me too.
Abochi, thank you. Nice one there. Me say, we are not surprised about Bawumia winning the primaries because we chose Bawumia for them. And for the past 8 years, we have chosen or we have chosen their candidate for them. We did it in the 2024 election, and then they brought him. We told them, say they will use and dump Bawumia, and they wanted to prove us wrong, and then they brought it. Let me tell you, they think they are intelligent. We, psychologically, we are tactical. Now, you know Kennedy would have given us a tough race.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Why?
Because he was someone that was appealing to the youth, looking at the way he gives his rhetorical statements. And you know the youth of Ghana right now want probity and accountability. You get it? So looking at the way he appears, he gets that kind of traction from the young ones. Now, we echoed or we engineered certain things like, Bawumia will not be given the chance, he will lose. So they were working hard, they want to prove us wrong. They wanted to challenge and make sure they wanted to challenge and make sure they present Bawumia. And we are not surprised about Bawumia's victory. However, as a matter of fact, data on record says that in 2023, he had 62%. In 2026, 56%. And our brothers here are saying that he has done massively well. I don't know how they interpret data and how they read data. For MPP, all the time, the smaller number is better. No wonder your friend is saying, almost say 17 cedis dollar, a better thing, 11 cedis dollar. Are you getting it? No wonder. Like omu reading Yama in the reverse. Omu mas enka na nka ye mumu ba ko pe Baumia nkwa na onti mas na se sorry me data no wa ha se na ama me peja Baumia nkwa na enti mas na se no se dollar no we a na ka would excuse them but MPP for are behaving say one mass teacher na echiro mu ni na ade no wonder they are coming from one political party now with Baumia I'm asking what is he going to talk about? What is going to be his campaign message? Me does say
you were doing some equation, but when we
okay, equation me.
Now okay say Ushe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia in the previous election of primaries, he had 61 point something percent.
Yeah, like 62.
Yeah, and then now Sisia Wababenya 56.83 or thereabout. What's it then ABC? You didn't complain.
Almost say wa performing previous way no. Now the performance in Podium and declining from 62. And at that time, when you're 38, imagine you yourself do the math, find X, say with a 56, no? 56, no? Yes, simple proportion. Yes. Oh dear, yes, simple proportion, no? And gravitational force at TSC, in more. And they are going to election on number 28. Now, 32%. Oh dear, 32%, you know. Omeka say Ashanti region for Mpiamba until we get 28.
I know you are drinking.
I'm telling you, this is mathematics. Almost say omo data people.
It doesn't hold.
This very same gentleman, Kasano, or say Munsa Dankwa data no, or a specific group or the year data no. Munsa Dankwa kachira mo say. Ba omi be winim we magiatum. Munsa Dankwa sa so kachira mo say. And this be presented there, including me. So I'm presenting me. Me pity ba omi. Sana Munsa Dankwa.
One can say. One can say including you. You were specific with names. He was no. We NDC.
Wait. We NDC. Or say any candidate NDC presents. Or say any candidate.
But you don't need. You don't need that status. You don't need it.
Oh wait.
Don't have it for yourself. Oh, there be. Oh, no.
Wait, Abochi.
Oh, there be.
Abochi, we have
me we shave it now. Now, Roger. Okay.
What I am telling you is, what I'm telling you right now, they say, any candidate NDC will present, including me, will beat Baumia, and will beat Baumia mercilessly. 28% po. Onya. And no nankrani ebe catch say, oh nah.
But are you aware, sir? Ghana has a CNO. We don't look at sir Yakotuaba, your share personality near the Natuaba.
Any personality you are talking about performance of the economy.
Sure.
Right now, the economy is speaking for itself. On one account,
are you aware that the city has depreciated by 4%?
We announced it before. And we are not saying there is no currency in the world that stays or continually grow. There is going to be a level of undulation. What you are saying? Fluctuation. Even the American dollar.
And you are aware, sir, fuel crack also by 2 Ghana cedis.
And that is as a result of the price peg or ceiling by MPA. What you are saying? That
no, me bacho.
No, make us say that's
you can make your argument.
What I am saying is,
you can make your argument.
What I am saying is, there is no constant currency. There is supposed to be. That shows that there is life, and that shows the other microeconomic indicators in the economy are all adjusting or are working hand in hand because unya omuni na on one line. It's not a straight line. What you say? It's not static. That is it. That is the word. It's not static. Oh, absolutely. Me na make a show. Me see, MP before. Man train here or some question the more fasting. And yes, sir, on bet you money na dollar na basi cedis, 7 cedis. Me na make a show.
But say one kasa man penyin ka say they will maintain a particular range.
No, let me say
because omo ba from e be affect some businesses too.
Yes. Absolutely. But let me tell you. We'll say the kind of market and economy we find ourselves. If the indicators or the players of the market are dragging or are forcing, you don't have a choice. You have to be there. Are you getting me? Into no say economy ni favorable sa na say indicators no and necessity and I say a warranty and I say a propel that movement. You can't do anything to it. I said your friend is saying the solar system, and I say the world, the planet. You cannot hold one; it will crash. The system will crash. It will be anyone more artificial. But what we are saying is, if the government have pragmatic steps, so working on the economy, not economy no continually, into my pay fra. You should expect an economic transformation. This is not a miracle. This is not juju. This is not 9-day wonder. Like they are dreaming. When him say up to now, people almost so die. Me catch you. I'm a Simon Bruno. We sorry, I'm at 3 o'clock now. I say 2026, and I say we are still in 2024. Are you getting it? Now the Americans say, what is Bawumia going to campaign on? Or say the economy will speak. Now. The contradiction MPP no omo contradiction na omo babeka and I say omo di ba enina any say economy no aye den. Are you going to talk about the dollar to CD ratio? Because this is someone that was seen from the elephant's room as the economic messiah. Someone that spoke highly of economic management. Someone who say, no, when it comes to logical analysis of an economy, he is coming to turn the economic fortunes of the country around. Obia Akufo-Addo presenting Emma Ghana for as the economic messiah after Jesus Christ, who is endowed of knowledge and wisdom more than that of Solomon. Obia ni nyansa. What? Akufo-Addo count. Nyansa ni na ye de ama Bawumia.
Roger, Ebo Backman. Recent video.
Recent nampo video.
There be. Usi Akufo-Addo de na wo kan. Nyabotre. Akufo-Addo de na wo kan say.
Yeah.
Say Nyankopon de nyansa ni nyina ma no. So asem no te wen.
Oh. Now
Ebo Backman, I've not invited you into this conversation. No, please. No, you are not an interested party. You don't have the big...
no.
Yeah,
no.
Allow
my
him.
time.
Oba land this is here.
Me time as I'm starting.
Oba land.
Me pacho okasa 20 minutes. I wrote the time here. Oh, I wrote the time here. Me.
And I work as how many minutes?
I started 18. Check the time.
You started what?
18.
She said, who started 18, man?
Yeah. Oh, I started 18. I'm writing.
Please.
What's that make
me pacho.
Abotchie. Please,
go
back to your system and check the time I started. Debbie, 18. 20 minutes.
You can't set your own time and be looking at your own time. Go ahead.
10.
When the time is due for you, Debbie, when the time is due for you to land, I'll take you off. So go ahead.
Wait. So what I am saying is that what is he going to talk about concerning the economy, the inflation? Now Akufo-Addo painting picture and upon and saying be catch say even among the cabinet nyanseni bako ana wom ono pe na nyanseni wo ho na say mo nyasa nyanseni we ni na owo mo party ni mu no wafa economy no e de yakọ bola junk state which is a Ghana for sanso decide economy ni beba ma Bawumia biem Ghana for yesi yenhu de ekọ yesi transformation aba economy no Ghana for we don't feel it ana. You say Ghana for eto fuel ama sebi sisi ano Ghana for enye se omugu nsape o omo sansu gu fuel ema nananom enye bi gu omu ka mu na ye the economy no asambe ma eye MPP for Bawumia was not just a spectator and I say a junior minister and I say someone that was standing by o Bawumia man position Akufo-Addo man position head of economic management team meboa. The face of MPP's economic communication, or Kasape, and one or running public lectures. Bawumia running public lectures, so Sebio, the economy no atitiam pansam, she Bawumia Kasaya, my IMF, no on person man appointment. Already kill ye. Now, Usha critics are hiti ye in 2016, pa Bawumia, or no, ne criticism. And very hot. Now, your channel 2028 offer more PowerPoints and presentation. You be man lecture horse free on running economic lectures. Now, on be my ni data na odi ye bruhu brihaha no on fam be man yen Ghana for on kire say he has the credibility na yentie na yenhwe na say ye ko to the polls Ghana for aiden ama verdict na Abochi mame ma one some small facts concerning Bawumia omo administration ni omo government unim say Ghana Statistical Service ema yehu say during Akufo-Addo Numurenu, they pushed a lot of people into poverty. About 830,000 people went into poverty. During time, between 830,000 to 850,000 people were forced pushed into. And you say why I won't say we now mismanagement of the economy and inflation equal 54.1% into now I say by force because we pay a amount 1,500 no say first no back 250 no count me to back 250 now what to be me now what to oil now what to enam kakra now they say but because of economic mismanagement we just 1,500 now they move 850 and the yellow
for Manoy.
We 850 near lorry fair we are and Kayano the Tebania asa. Under this economic hardship, Nankofu 8 minutes. Some people are able to stay 3 days without food. Sometimes we know you crowd and yamiase.
It is not true.
It is true.
You can't live 3 days without food.
Abochi, people were living 3 days without food.
You can't make that statement on radio.
I can't. I'm making it too, so say I can't make it.
You can't make it.
The people went 3 days without food.
And see that.
And as a matter of fact, omu wars added to COVID and now Russia-Ukraine war. Abochi, unim say Russia-Ukraine war na Western Putin sisia. A Western sisia team then. Russia any Ukraine war no. Aye West. Which nini esam no still enya omo ana ye need omo so. And then what is the economic condition? Intino Bawumia as a matter of fact we are waiting for their campaign message. Now almost and whitewashing no. Now, during all this period, domestic debt exchange, pensioners, Erade Nyankopon. Abochi, the first time in Ghana's economic history, banks employ barbers, say Omunyi Nkofuti, haircut. Under Akufo-Addo Bawumia, they created an office in the banking sector for barbers to give haircuts in the economies. Yehun bebia FIA, Nkofu wuye, FMU. Nkofu lusu omo properties ese nkofu ejapade je omo be didikra no ayare fokra enya omo musika amfanto na Bawumia is going to tell his story to us.
I mean,
the economy will indeed speak for its people. The economy ebe speaking Ghanaians will vote on the economy but candidate omo di abe pentinamento Ghana for say omo enye den ento na relegation party na ngasa egu omo betina opposition be 90 years.
NPP party egu.
Na me ka kire.
On bet in opposition be 90.
Me say it is a cow dank. Eni na wo. It is CPP. Party ni din ni de be wo ho. Party ni din no e be wo ho. Na party na kasa de egu. Ayese eyi nantwi dank cow dank ni awo.
Mami now say. Exactly 17 minutes. Time be lines na tum can number be phrases so 0260196064 0260196065. I mean cows Jaws bread and pastry sabri one more day Jaws hot kinky abedjaman so 3 cedis per ball 3 cedis per ball. Now, Pacho, one much kwan ewo Jaws Bakery, domi bia wo commercial bank nechi hwa. Se ope dokuno a wo mu no a ya wo nam eye kwan paso wo no ano a ukoto a wudi a wankasa obanya ahotoso no. Me Pacho bomodi na fa weni kire eye Jaws Bakery. Ewo domi wenye ye bia wo kwakoye na mpo no sabre a wutie mi wenya party bia wo kwakoye anase wedding bia kwakoye anase nhemudie kese bia wo kwakoye a mo be serve dokuno. Se dokuno na mo serve no se mo pe dokuno efo dokuno a yato ye buase ya ye dokuno wa bra ya die bia nhemu a kai se eye Jaws kinky. It is served hot. Me ba cho se upese uto dokuno bia friend number we is here 025 60 68832 025 60 68832 Jaws kinky. Wow, Doc Kono Papa ni John's Hot Kinky. Last week Philip Bruta, me just said ba could be a bit boss no. Yeah, be Philip Bruta papa. John's Hot Kinky. Hey, come up papa. So I audio we as at the womb do, but we central region for omubu fu second edi enchuno. And then I'm put me pay some sounds be Eddie Amamo, but the background rightly put in a central for neither them with Jassa.
No, Titi. Ghana Christopher. Or put away a powerful in faith. They should consider MPP for on faith. MPP for on faith, a very powerful faith. Political party, why will that catch on to me in 2028? Nankasa catch on the on to me. So at Abaman, that faith can move mountains. I never boy. Why? Until I won't MPP won't tell about many videos in Libya. Ne akohwe samo zakasaka se videos no wote say wa yam hyehyɛ wana ai people for home the delegate no won't videos in Libya the people of Cape Coast have good news for you zi akuri okokigina ai hwe odo baby simple akohwe no onzi no baby chapel there or the pulpit okogina lighthouse also ye bibia plan the plan is everything is done the documentation everything is done we are going to do concrete route in Ghana but your concrete route in Ghana oh, okay, you know, Pentecost chapel them. Or the pulpit, or the microphone. Oh, many to me, I be very. Since I drivers have a mention there, you Uber Ben, when you man, you create app if you are why you made the Uber on in there. Today, it's a question one comment. So, I got to Obama examine Pokuri. Now, as some Napokaya, also there, no cabinet, Nanya, or yeah, Baumian. I take exception to that because Alan Chamantin was in that cabinet. Alan Chamantin, somebody at the age of 9 years, or course secondary school, I decided college 9 years. Obia Mandela, or you trying in Yansa for all Yazi, we're able to know for. But to establish black economy, black enterprise economy war, or South Africa, 1994. Or invited him past 7 all over the world. Alan Chamantin was there. That time was about 34 years. He was one of the 7 he invited. That man cannot be sitting in a cabinet. I was about and saying you. It cannot be possible. Say Kafu no unim answers are fine. Not my Alan Chamantin. Say Kafu no unim answers are no fine. But not Alan Chamantin, United Nations. Or creating the whole Africa continental free trade area for the whole Africa. He does big things. Now Asemintra. A tan envy chede a tan and yaunti no mo see
but asam na pokan no na wo yina no na
yes what is I mean me Alan Chamantin afim because Alan Chamantin nyanse no obi dwa no nyina ye adwuma whether United Nations whether AU whether consulting for the World Bank hwe ne recorder anya 2x4 wale Adam Smith skills bialo asam na wa ba nti say pede ba o me nankasa ne nyanso wa look at his choice of running mate.
Debbie, you can say that. That is you can say that. No, you can say that on the. No, please. No, Debbie. I will not allow that, please. Oh, Debbie, I will not allow that. May you, Ephraim. May you, Ephraim.
See, I want to Major Alan F. Mukra. Major Alan Chamantin F. Mukra. Nanyan or Sododo. One front to Tonka think home. Now politics inti. Let me tell you, since day one.
Yeah, Matthew.
Was a intercre Fedes. Was actually said about men one why I can say. A solution or digitalization on your water. No was Ama. Baumian was a bay. Bank of Ghana Kotu Nguda. Baumian or Kote. BBC Guda. Baumian or ye. into one man fed that time why I can see or you're empty. That is why, as the wisest person in MPP, so they claim, you know, when Ghana had scarce resources, one of the major responsibility of every economist or economic manager is allocation of resources, because resources are not
just allocation of resources, efficient
allocation. I'm coming to break it down. But Umia was confronted with the situation of job creation. Alan Chamantin proposed and wrote a policy called One District, One Factory. Bawumia brought a policy called NAPCO. Look at the two people and judge which one is wiser.
And you know, one district, one factory. Ecosystem.
Oh, listen to the point I'm making.
And NAPCO nusu ecosystem.
Listen to the point I'm making. When Alan brought that One District, One Factory, and Bawumia brought NAPCO, at that time, Bawumia and Ken were doing Ghana's budget. In Tabaki, Bawumia, you can call Parliament, every budget reading. Look at the money we allocated to One District, One Factory. Of all the program now, first was Okesha President office. If it wasn't on one claim was Brian, they spent 450 million Ghana cedis. NAPCO, the most useless program. No, useless program of NAPCO are uncreate permanent jobs. All your investment or combat, they spend close to 4 billion. This is a wise man spending. A wise man spent close to 4 billion on a useless program like NAPCO.
But you can't. How useless was NAPCO? You can't say
it's useless. That's why the boys are still in the home. That's why after you spend close to 4 billion, the boys are still in the home. They are still unemployed. If you have spent that money on One District, One Factory, it would have been a successful program for them to get permanent, decent jobs to do. Then you say somebody is wiser. Oh, no, don't people sign one and say so, Papa. See, if this is the wisest among them,
right.
People sign one.
Yeah, yo.
If this is the wisest man.
Exactly 8 minutes to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. we'll be activating the lines. Remember numbers to call 0260-196064, 0260-196065. But I have an audio to play. I mean, I have an audio to play for Amasama Bruni to react to, and then later I'll get to a Roger to also have about 3-4 minutes of his input before you fire call us right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Maminka say RSYD no VG Studios. Studios are what a year and crying hard be patch up. Ubomoding now do it chawa. Say upasa ucha photo. Say patch say upasa ye ucha video. Video aye quality. Photo aye quality ya. Me patch up on the when it's RSYD no VG Studios. Woman acquiring a one crying Malam Abase of Kokroko Street. Now, patch up kowa go be experiencing a creative environment where your vision would certainly become a reality. Kai said one more creative director or Sasa now do any chira ebusia make catch out say videos 3 photos are ubenye free hono. Papa. Bomoding na anyone in Dinkomo 057-4715-778. Again, read them on 030-397-4822. Remember, RSYD, not VG Studios. Let's create something extraordinary together. That is why your vision would become reality. Take a listen to this. We're going to be right back.
Last time, I said you bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia will never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP, and that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. Do you want me to tell you something?
Tell me.
We are 75% of Christians.
SOMPA FM.
Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go with the other, the other religion, when they talk or say, So from there, they joined the Christians. So I will tell you something. Christian right now is what, 11, or maybe I'll just cut a 6.
This is SOMPA.
There's no way anywhere in this world that majority will let a minority lead. And if you let a minority, I'll give you an example. Just go to the parliament. Is it possible that the majority there will let a minority lead them? It's a question. It's a simple question.
Is it about religion basis for?
But let me tell you, everywhere in this world, everywhere, you cannot go to a Muslim land and you Christian tell them you want to lead them.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 from Duncan Williams nearby. And I'll just say, yeah, bono kasa ewa hakai say, or MPP ni mapa, chocho rupa, and okasa samui. Now, Amasama Bruni, how do you respond to this?
Prof. And you see, we are internal premise. Say, able or the right to criticize the MPP. Also, because they say,
or UP.
Yeah, because UP has a right to criticize the MPP.
Yeah,
I don't have a problem because they say we're NDC affiliates.
I take exception.
You take exception.
You should withdraw. No, you should withdraw.
No, but he says that he takes an exception to this,
and he should withdraw it.
And asking you to withdraw.
There are things he said about Dr. Bawumia and
would you withdraw?
I took strong objection to it. I
kept
quiet.
But I didn't. Don't affiliate me with NDC.
Okay, the last time
sure.
He called the MPP irresponsible.
So
he called the MPP irresponsible.
Only an irresponsible government will destroy Ghana's economy.
Allow him, please.
So if I'm irresponsible, I'm now going to behave irresponsibly towards you.
Do it.
What I said, because when it comes to derogatory statement, Obianya monopoly over. So Obana say, oh, Kasa, you can disagree with whatever, but to descend into trying to insult us. Well, say, Ninyachum. So Kasema or say hey yen Alan Tremantin sincha who now see party am born humodi. Your Alan Tremantin was in government for 6 years over. When it is collectively there, so see a bad there, then you isolate Alan Tremantin. That is the hypocrisy.
Responsibility and in governance, we have collective responsibility and individual accountability.
And individual accountability is that he's been at the trade for over 6 years.
And his records are there.
And he's over 6 years. The record your papa anka when Oko Prime Minister anka show here. So, Prof, this video you want me to speak to. You see, first and foremost, let me start it with on the premise here. My religion, Islam, teaches me that my holy prophet, peace be on him, says that whoever deals with people based on religion, color, creed, gender will perish. And Allah too has said in the Quran, say, we have created you in nations and tribes, not to discriminate amongst yourselves, but to recognize each other. So me dealing with in Crawford, looking at say way free north, way free south, way free east. Madame Fufu Bebre are non-Muslims.
Including me.
Video good. The fact that yeah, we disagree here, we'll go out, we laugh.
Yeah, I know.
Woman, she's in pain. Because according to an free US or Beboa can campaign. Democracy in a money buyer, so Beboa. And in democracy, you lose or you win. Is that not it?
Sure.
And they say, on to me pretend they say, oh no. So more than Obi Awenya Neye. Honorable Ken now
she is crying more than the brief.
More than the brief, yeah. Honorable Ken now call election a Lucien. Or see now there is no Ken, no vote. Because Sankonu no win here and no different camp. Esuka say no Bawumia, no voter, and Ken no mude. So why be supporting Okotina US no democratic states? Meboa. There are people who disagree with Trump. Some who disagree with him, law court no muko. This kind of tribal bigotry, me, I don't entertain bigots. This woman, she's lost her cool and no feel so back. I believe by now, on a video no be nuni kasana wakano. So that's why in anger, you have to be very measured.
Sure.
Ghana is one country that Prof, we've never experienced any conflict based on religious issues. Tribal and there and I see in certain areas. But about the religion there is a no-no. Go to the heart of Nima. St. Kizito Church, Catholic Church, is being in Nima before I was born.
That was where I was baptized.
Good. Most of the Zongo boys in Nima, JHS, from primary to JHS, there's not been one day I would say Nima boys alcohol have issue. There are communities, they allow mocks. You see mocks. But ubet me say a Christian dominated community. Omuni Muslims in the issue. A Drew Salah time crowd look at the way they even go, hey, come out, challenge me now Sanyama. So we should all condemn Sanyama way in the name of say we lose election. No one because say NOB to be near president.
But so they can
what I know is that so Obi Beba be tena kunja so be on mampeni and on mampeni. The only person ultimately who in future say we never be nyame.
Sure.
A man for Eshe come. Even with this recent one, say nyame na catch romo only for them to come and apologize. And I ask myself, what are you apologizing for? Asama nyame catch romo. And how can God tell you something wrong only for you to come and apologize? So it be na woman here. Maybe before let me read some of these things to you. And when I begin seeing those things, I say, Sanyame ebe your president or my way. These are some of the things that happen. This is a Ghana web of Ghana web. Cursed Akufo-Addo can never be president of Ghana. Solomon Kansa. This is another Ghana web. Nanado can never be president. Ghana web of 15th November 2010. Prophet, a so-called prophet of God. And Okasa same way. Nanado can never be president. So Asuma Banda me left on this. Maybe because where I foundation. Speaker of Parliament currently, Gbagbi Akufo-Addo can't be president. When you know Bible say the ways of men are not the ways of God. Into the facts of Onoaka and Chesa Sanyame, see Baume be president of Ghana. It will not materialize.
That's it. Now, Roger, Mamintio for about 2-3 minutes now.
Yeah, Abochi. Meaning, baby, I'm a Simon Bruni, Ogofani analysis no fear. Because voice now, boy, no. Mantise woman can say a prophecy. Or individual.
Or say can never.
And I'm saying, Mantise or Cassa a prophet.
I'm listening to you.
No, but Mante.
Okay, allow him.
Me Mante say woman essay a prophecy.
Then I'm a Sama Bruni can.
Because now any analysis no quote no say prophet be crab a professor I say you be winia on be patcho. What I'm trying to say is individuals have their own feeling and they can express their sentiment validly. What you say?
Sure.
Until dia obia e kanu e nipa kono ni opinion. How me I'm catch you say me support you.
Me bacho
me me
it was bigotry.
Dia maker say dia maker and say sisi ano MPP 4 a package omo rebranded Shire package e dey ba for contest 2028. Dia me e can say 2028 no we the people of NDC I believe say the lovely people of Ghana ebe vote based on the economic conditions and a transformation in corruption conditions and cases are ewo on my Ghana mu. Now ebano attributing the abysmal performance of Bawumia under his time under Akufo-Addo, the president, his time now. Akufo-Addo gave Bawumia the economic power to rule. Now he was not just a mate; he was a vice president, and that alone is enough to say he contributed. Right. Apprenticeship. Being a vice president is not apprenticeship.
Even said it.
Yes. The statement are all making.
Yeah.
concerning the statement o make here concerning concerning economic shocks every global perspective. Or say if global factors were the problem, why is Cote d'Ivoire doing better? That statement is true then, and it's true now, and it is true during their time of office. So, woefully performance no and share Ukraine. Now Ukraine war no. Now say an extra.
Maybe that's it. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, maybe I don't want to say.
About you, German South.
Hey, yeah. Now, German South is saying.
German South, the Emoko,
now, German South, Baumian winning, and I say, can I win it?
Oh, Baumian winning last 4 years now. Can I win it? And that is a camp on me, Romo. Vote not speaking Yankee. You are about me and
okay, my interview.
So, that's your majority.
Yeah.
Obisa, you are a 10 months ago. 10 person here. My power,
did I say?
You know, a Ghana for pay. That question wasn't well answered. Because we would say, I say, a grassroots, you know, among form of that club and almost bonus. That man's up where you know, we are set about. I mean, you see, you see, you know, my DC. You have a problem with what can say that sitting, you know, you see, and tell you, that's what you are. That against me, as one in copy, sitting, you know, almost I said, Obi Abu, you show, say, I can't say, one year. If you need message, yeah, come 2028.
All right. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me va join a minute ka say.
Prof, Prof, I think 37.
What in 37? What are my patcho my inti why?
You Prof, I mention what you phone na.
A chief for that.
MPP phone na MPP for I'm ya ko so aba na sun je me am Islam je je na de nya je be ba ko. Me dia